Hello everyone, this is Sheriff the Broker. Today it will be an amazing experience for you because this video is 360. With your mouse you can make a tour or you can turn your phone or screen to see the other sides of the video. This is the sample apartment of Torun Center. It is 216 meters square gross, 133 meters square net, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, separated kitchen apartment. It is fully furnished in the sample apartment, but the apartment you will buy will be empty one with the, of course, standard decoration. And the price tag of this 2-bedroom type apartment is $1,750,000. The apartment is welcoming us with the walnut covered entrance door and the mirror cupboards here for the jackets and the shoes. And right next to entrance door we have the gas ware fireplace, and next to the fireplace we have the fine dining area. This dining area behind is covered with the same walnut coverings and the shelves by mirror and with the golden plated details and golden plated chandeliers. On my behind, maybe 360 light is too much here, but there is a nice window. I see here Trump Towers, Roll Tower and Javai Shopping Mall next to me, and the Mecidiyeköy metro station enters right under us. I am walking. You can turn the screen now. We have a nice slide up here. You can have the Bosphorus view on this amazing balcony. Floorings are hardwood. Again, backsplash here. We have the wooden cupboard and nice TV set. Behind the TVs, nice marble. Underneath is walnut cupboards. And from this point, it will be interesting experience also. I will move the camera now to the kitchen. Now we are going to kitchen. Yes, like this. In the middle point. Kitchen. I want to start from this end. Most biggest advantage is this door, because while we are cooking something, you don't want to have the smell inside the apartment. It will go out, and you can enjoy your breakfast on the balcony also. We have the oven, cooker, and aspirator. All these three set is Miele brand. Also, we have here nice marble tub, and here it's a dishwasher, Miele branded, and over here, built-in fridge. This is the kitchen. All the things are fireproof, and we have here nice wallpaper and good finishings on the top for the cooling system. And from this point, we are going to guest bathroom. This point is for the washer and dryer, by the way. This is the guest bathroom. It's a small place, but I will explain. We have the floating vanity, wooden finish underneath, mirror on the top, behind for the pharmaceutical products, and here walk-in shower and the nice waterfall on the top. I like this space, well decorated. It's like a hotel space. Okay, from this space, now I will take you to guest bedroom. I am sorry for carrying you. I know it's not a good feeling. So this is the guest bedroom. I want to ask first, how is the feeling at making a tour like this? If you like this tour, please comment under the video. Also, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you like what I am doing, and you can share it to your friends as well. So this is the guest bedroom. It is also very well decorated. Wallpaper all around, full glass window, amazing Bosphorus view over here. It's spacious, nice area. The color is overall designed on the lighter brown, and the gray colors are settled on this space. I like how they finished the air conditioning system on the top, and we have nice brown chandelier over here. So from this space, I will take you to master bedroom. We are moving to master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom of this apartment. On my behind, where the bed is settled, right hand side there is a walk-in closet. Left hand side I will show also master bathroom. Here the bed space. This room is older room, looks like a hotel room. Here the space usage here. They put here one nice couch, and from this couch I see, maybe you don't see because of the light, daylight, there is an amazing Bosphorus view from here. They covered everywhere with leather and the walnut, darker walnut, and there is here nice modern LED chandelier. And from this space I will take you to last point, master bathroom. In the master bathroom, we have the closet. Behind the closet, covered with the nice walnut, double sink. Even the small spaces used very well. You see we have the small areas here. Good finishings with the light marble color. Like I can say it's beige color. From down to top, beige color. On top, I didn't mention on the other spaces also recessed lightnings. On here we have the nice red coal lighting, wider walk-in shower here, and again waterfall. It's also built in on the top, and here you have the shower. Now it's finished. From this point, maybe we can end outside on the balcony. Is it okay? Is it problem? Oops. From maybe kitchen. Kitchen we will go. I want to end the video in the clean air with you. Maybe you see the view with me. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. The broker is out. I cannot go. It's 360.